So the next problem is a cone's radius increases at 0.5 centimeters per minute and its height stays constant at 12 centimeters. What's the rate of change of volume when the radius is 3 centimeters? So first, let us draw a cone. It is stated there that the radius is 3 cm. Then the derivative of radius with respect to time, which is already given in the problem, is 0.5 cm per minute. The height is 12 cm. Again, the radius is 3 cm. And what we are tasked to find out is to find the derivative of volume with respect to time. So the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r squared height. Then let's derive the formula. This will become derivative of volume with respect to time. So this will become 2/3 pi r squared dr over dt. Then substitute the given values. 2 over 3 pi. Our r is 3 centimeters and our height is 12 centimeters. Then our dr over dt is 0.5 centimeters per minute. So our final answer would be 37.7 centimeter cube per minute. This is our final answer. So the next problem is a rectangular garden length grows at 0.6 meters per second and width at 0.4 meters per second. When length is 5 meters, width is 3 meters, how fast is the area growing? So first, let us draw a rectangular garden. Its length is 3 cm, 5, then width is 3 cm. So, the derivative of length with respect to time, which is already given in the problem, is 0.6 meters per second. The derivative of W with respect to time is 0.4 meters per second. Our length is equal to 5. 3 is equal to, our width is equal to 3. And then what we're going to find out is to find the derivative of area with respect to time. So the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by the width. So let's derive the formula. So this will become the product rule. So 1 dw over dt plus 1 dl over dt. So dA over dt is equal to 5, 0.4. Since our length is 5, then our dw over dt is 0.4 plus our length again is 5, and our dl over dt is 0.6. So our final answer would be 3.8 meters squared per second. So the next problem is the radius of a sphere is shrinking at 0.2 centimeters per second. How fast is its surface area changing when the radius is 3 centimeters? So first, let us draw a circle or a sphere. Then it states there that the radius is 3 cm. So the derivative of radius with respect to time was already given in the question. 0.5 negative 0.2 meter per second. Again, our radius is 3 cm. So what we are tasked to find out is to find the surface area, derivative of surface area with respect to time. So the surface area of a circle is 4 pi r squared. I mean the surface area of a sphere rather is 4 pi r squared. Then let's derive the formula. So this would become 8 pi r dr over dt. Then substitute the given values. 8 pi our r 3 cm and our dr over dt is equal to negative 0.2. Then calculate the final answer. So our final answer would be negative 15.08 cm squared per second. Next problem is the base of a triangle is increasing at 1 centimeters per second and the height is fixed at 6 centimeters. How fast is the area increasing? So first, let us draw a triangle. And the middle or the bisector of a triangle, the height is 6. So derivative of base with respect to time, which was already given in the problem, is 1 centimeter per second. Then again our height is 6. And what we are tasked to find out now is to find the derivative of area with respect to time of the triangle. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base height. So let's derive the formula. So this would become 1/2 b db over dt. So substitute the given values. dA over dt is equal to 1/2 this will become h. So our h is 6. Then dV over dt is 1. So calculate the final answer, then we'll get 3 centimeters squared per second. So the next problem is the radius of a sphere is increasing at 0.5 centimeters per second. How fast is its volume increasing when the radius is 4 centimeters? So first, let us draw a circle or a sphere. Stated that the radius is 4 cm. Then it's already stated that the derivative of radius with respect to time is equal to 0.5 cm per second. Then the radius is 4. And what we are tasked to find out is to find the volume, derivative volume of sphere with respect to time. So the volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r squared. So let's derive the formula. So this will become 4 pi r squared dr over dt. Then substitute the given values. And this will become 4 pi r is 4. Then r dr over dt is 0.5. Then calculate the final answer, 153.3 m squared. Next problem is the height of a cylinder is increasing at 2 centimeters per second and the radius stays constant at 5 centimeters. How fast is the volume increasing? So first, let us draw a cylinder. It is stated the radius is 5 cm. So the derivative of height with respect to time, which was already given the problem, is 2 cm per second. Then the radius is 5 centimeters. Then the dr over dt is 0. It is stated that it is constant. Then what we are tasked to find out is the derivative of volume with respect to time. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared height. So let's derive the given formula. So this would become pi r squared dh over dt. Then dv over dt is equal to pi, which is our r is 5 squared, then our dh is 10. 2, I mean. So calculate the given values to get the final answer. So the final answer would be 157.08 cm cubed per second. So the next problem is a square's sides are increasing at 12 centimeters squared per second. How fast is its side length increasing when the side is 6 centimeters? So firstly, let us draw a square. So this will become S, the sides. And the derivative of area with respect to time, which was already given, is 12 cm squared per second. Then side is 6 cm. Then what we are tasked to find out is the derivative of side with respect to time. So the area of a square is S squared. So the derivative of this is 2s ds over dt. Then let's substitute the given values. So 12 cm squared per second is equal to 2, s is equal to 6, ds over dt. So divide both sides by 2 multiplied by 6 in order to cancel. So our final answer would be 1 cm per second. So next is A circle's area is increasing at 5 centimeters squared per second. How fast is the radius increasing when the radius is 2 centimeters? So first, let us draw a circle. Then the radius is 2. So the dA over dt is already given is 5 centimeters squared per second. The radius again is 2 cm. And what we are tasked to find out is to find the derivative of radius with respect to time. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. Then let's derive the formula. And this would become 2 pi r dr over dt. Then substitute the given values. So this will become 5 cm squared per second, 2 pi, radius 2, then dr over dt is what we're going to find out. Multiply both sides by 2 pi over 2 pi multiplied by 2, cancel. Then our final answer would be dr over dt is equal to 0.4 cm per second. Next problem is the radius of a circle is shrinking at 0.1 meters per second. How fast is the area decreasing when the radius is 10 meters? So what we're going to do is again draw a circle. Then the radius is 10 cm. So the dr over dt, which was already given, is 0.1 meters per second. Then the radius again is 10 cm. 10 meters, I mean. 10 meters rather. Then what we are tasked to find out is to find the derivative of area with respect to time. So the area of a circle, again, it is pi r squared. Then derive the formula. This will become 2 pi r dr over dt. Then let's substitute the given values. So dr over dt is equal to 2 pi, our radius 10, and our dr over dt is negative 0.1. So calculate the given values to get the final answer. So our final answer is negative 6.28 meters squared per second. Next problem is the side of a cube is increasing at 1 centimeters per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the side is 4 centimeters? So first, let us draw a square or a cube rather. So just denote this as S. So the ds over dt is equal to 1 cm per second, which was already given, and it was the problem. So our side again is 4. So this is 4. Then what we are tasked to find out is to find the derivative of the surface area with respect to time. So the surface area of a cube is 6s squared. So let's derive this given formula by denoting as the derivation of surface area with respect to time. So this will become 12s ds over dt. So ds over dt, substitute the given value. So our s is 4. Then our ds over dt is 1. So our final answer would be 48 centimeters squared per. So it is 48 centimeters squared per seconds. Our final problem would be the volume of a cube is decreasing at 15 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the side length decreasing when the side is 3 centimeters? So what we're going to do is draw again a cube. So this is S. So it is already given the derivative of volume with respect to time, which is 18 cm cube per second. Then our again S is 3 centimeters, so this will be 3. Then what we are going to find out is to find the derivative of S with respect to time. So the volume of cube is S3. So the derivative of this formula is 3s squared ds over dt. Then substitute the given values. So dv over dt is negative 18. 3. Our s is 3 also. Squared ds over dt. Then this will become 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, ds over dt. Then, divide both sides by 27. The final answer will be ds over dt is equal to negative 0.67 meter centimeter per second. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something, and thank you for listening.